Alright, so next reaction is Ratchet and Crank, Rift Apart, a franchise evolution on PlayStation. Now, I haven't played any other of the franchise of Ratchet and Crank on PlayStation. I know I've been missing out, but hopefully, if they will be able to add Ratchet and Clank collections for that, that'd be so cool. Cause I hope they would add it on PS5. Cause I would definitely would play that one instead. If I would have played like a lot of Ratchet and Clank video games, that'd be cool, man. But it's only like 45 seconds, so we're just gonna do this quickly as we can. So here we go in three, two, one. Hold on a second. Okay. Go. Of course, it's next week, cause it's actually gonna be happening. It's gonna happen, and next week. I can't wait. I'm very excited. Um, Hopefully I would try to play this one. If I could. Seems like a fun game, but I'll try my best to how to get the PS5 as well. Cause it's gonna be my first time ever playing on PS5. But also I'm excited about the other games. And I'm very excited about it. But I will explain y'all next time. But yeah, so comment down below what you think about it, and I'll